Hey everyone, hope you're all having a good week so far. I'm just a little bit behind on my recording at the moment, playing a bit of catch up. What I'm going to be doing today is having a look at this smartphone recording and photography accessory kit. So let's jump right into it and have a look at everything in the package. Here we have the package contents. We have a selfie stick on the right, which screws into the bottom of the camera housing over here. Then we have three lenses, the smallest of which is a macro lens. Then we have a wide angle lens, and lastly we have a fisheye lens. The lenses screw into this clamp, which you then connect to your smartphone device. Here we have something very interesting. This is a remote shutter, which can connect to your Android and iOS device via Bluetooth, which you can then obviously use to remotely take pictures or start a video recording. Then we have the mobile phone telescope lens, and lastly we have a tripod stand, which also screws into the bottom of the smartphone housing. Now, the one minor issue which I did have with these two attachments is that the unlock button of my phone, which is the Asus ROG 2 gaming phone, is exactly in the center of the device. So in order to have the clamp not interfere with the switch, I had to move my smartphone slightly off center, which, due to the fact that the Asus smartphone is very heavy and big, did cause some balance issues. But this is obviously through no fault of the kit, but rather the design of the Asus phone. However, with some minor adjustments, I was still able to use the tripod stand. So let's have a look at some photo samples of the add-on lenses. Quick video here from the front camera with the aid of the selfie stick. Obviously not much to speak about here. It's a selfie stick, it does what it's supposed to, and you guys can see the absolutely terrible state of my workspace. So there you have it, a quick run through of the smartphone accessory kit. If you are looking to upgrade your smartphone experience in terms of add-on lenses, this probably isn't the kit for you. Although the macro lens is incredibly cool, I did have a lot of fun with that. The wide angle and fisheye lenses are a little bit hit and miss due to issues with focus, and the telescope lens was, as you could see, basically unusable. However, at the end of the day, I do suppose that you get what you pay for. And considering that this kit is only $298 million, there is still a lot of value to be had in terms of the selfie stick, the tripod stand, as well as the remote shutter. The last two items, the tripod stand and the remote shutter, I will definitely be making the most use of. And if you are interested in purchasing this kit, then have a look at the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, guys and girls, and I will see you in the next one.